Welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. Are you a working chartered accountant, balancing client meetings, audits, deadlines, and then you think about studying for another qualification? Sounds familiar? That feeling of where is the time? Okay, we all face it. The DISA exam or Information Systems Audit 3.0 feels like another mountain to climb when you're already juggling so much. But here's a powerful truth. Success isn't just about the amount of time you have, it's about how wisely you use it. Now, think about this. This exam isn't just another hurdle, it's actually an opportunity. It can really elevate your career and open new doors by giving you expertise in the world of IT audits. Why does this happen? Because information systems audit is becoming so important. So, how do you prepare effectively, especially with a hectic schedule? You don't need to stop working to succeed. What you need is focus and a smart approach. Let's break this down. First off, if you're looking for guidance, there are course packages designed to support you. Once you order a package like ISA 3.0 video lectures and question banks from progstar.com, you'll get a notification right in your email, okay? Clicking that email opens up your content, usually in Google Drive. Here's a quick point. If you don't have the Google Drive app, just download it from your app store. Simple. Once you open the Drive app, make sure you're logged in with the same email ID you used for the course purchase. Then, head over to the section called Shared with Me. You'll find a folder, probably named ISA 3.0. This is where your video lectures are, neatly organized by module. You can watch them right there. Adjust the playback speed if you need to. You can also explore some e-learning extras like in-depth videos on topics like hardware, software, and database management, etc. And even complete e-learning content by watching 2 hours revision video. Now, think about this. What if you want to study offline? For resources like the chart book, which is super valuable for quick revision and understanding the big picture. You can download these PDF resources directly from Drive and take the printout of this chart book in a 3 or a 4 paper size. This ensures you have your materials with you anywhere, anytime. You might have seen this happen in real life, where having offline access is a lifesaver. Let's quickly recap. Accessing video lectures and resources is primarily through Google Drive after an email notification. Make sure you have the app and check the Shared with Me section. Alright, moving on. What about practicing questions? The question bank is absolutely crucial. There are a couple of ways to access the question banks. One is through browser access. Just open Google Chrome and go to the Progstar dashboard, log in, and you'll see your dashboard. Here you'll find a diverse array of quizzes covering different topics with a user-friendly interface. Let's see why these questions are super important. You might have seen this happen in real life. You finish the actual exam, and guess what? You have to submit the question paper and the OMR sheet. So, you can't really carry the questions home. This means chasing after specific past exam questions is, honestly, a bit of an elusive quest. So, what's the solution? Instead of focusing on specific questions, focus on topics. After each exam, feedback from members helps identify the topics that keep repeating. By compiling this knowledge, you can find topic-wise quizzes that cover these important areas. Let's take a moment here. This structured approach, focusing on topics, really boosts your confidence. Before you jump into a topic quiz, you might find short notes or revision points there. Use these summaries, read them before the quiz to get a quick grasp of concepts, and then after to reinforce what you've learned. You might have seen this happen in real life, where a quick review before practice makes a big difference. Beyond topic-wise, there are module-wise quizzes too. These provide targeted practice for each section. There are thousands of questions available in these banks, covering hundreds of important topics. Solving these diligently is key. And don't forget the mock tests. These are designed to simulate the actual exam. They are considered very helpful for boosting confidence and getting you exam ready. Many find that questions in the actual assessment test are quite similar to those in the mock tests. You can usually attempt these mock tests multiple times and even track your progress. You might have seen this happen in real life, where practicing under simulated conditions is the best way to prepare. Let's quickly recap the course study plan. Start with the video lectures to understand the concepts. Then, solve topic-wise quizzes to build clarity. Move on to module-wise quizzes to strengthen understanding module by module. Finally, take full mock tests to get exam ready. Don't skip those videos and jump straight to questions. The understanding is crucial. Now, about managing your time. As working professionals, we have practical knowledge already. Leverage your work experience. Connect the theory you're learning with real-life scenarios you've encountered. This makes concepts much easier to remember. Prioritize your preparation. Dedicate a few focused hours each day. Cut down on distractions like social media or excessive TV. Find the quiet hours that work for you, maybe early mornings or late nights. Even an hour or two consistently makes a huge difference. Sacrifice some leisure on weekends for intense study sessions. Here's a quick point. Consistency is key. Small efforts each day really compound into massive results. Even when you're tired, every minute you spend studying brings you closer to success. Visualize the outcome. Picture yourself walking out of the exam hall feeling confident. Imagine seeing that pass result. This vision can drive you through the toughest days. Remember, one focused attempt, giving it your best now, is much better than failing multiple times. You are not alone in this journey. Many students have successfully cleared this exam while managing work, crediting the course content and structured approach. Thousands of CA members have already cleared the DISA exam with this strategy with all India ranks, so you can definitely trust this strategy. Let's quickly touch upon the overall ICAI process for DISA. It's a post-qualification course for qualified CA members. The full process involves registration on the ICAI website, completing a mandatory e-learning module which has its own assessment test you need to pass. After that, there are a professional training component, usually 72 hours, where attendance is important. During the training, you'll have module tests and a project work with a Viva. These carry marks towards your eligibility. After completing the training requirements, you register for the eligibility test or ET. Passing ET allows you to register for the final assessment test, the AT. The AT is a 200-mark test, and you need 60% to pass. The applications for ET and AT are done online on specific ICAI websites. There's a fee for the AT exam, and usually the first attempt for ET is free with a fee for subsequent attempts. Certificates are dispatched after you clear the AT. Okay? The Prokta course package is designed to help you through the study part for both the ET and AT exams. It covers the complete syllabus. Let's quickly recap. The key to tackling the DISA exam while working is smart, focused preparation using resources like video lectures, the chart book, topic-wise and module-wise question banks, and mock tests. Leverage the flexibility of mobile access and maintain consistency. Visualize your success. You've got this. Share this with someone who needs to know about smart DISA prep. If any part was still confusing, listen to this part again. Now you know what most people don't about effectively preparing for DISA. Happy learning!